y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the formula that you use when you want to find the midpoint of 2 points. So that's the formula you use when you want to find the midpoint of 2 points. So let me give an example. Suppose we have let's say 6,3. Okay, suppose you have 6,3, and you also have another coordinate which is 4,6. Suppose these are your coordinates. Then the question says, can you calculate the midpoint between these 2 points? We want to know the point that is between this point and this point. So these are the 2 points that we have. In short, these are the 2 coordinates that we have. So we want to find out which coordinate is between these 2 coordinates. So in order to do that, as usual, you have to know your x1, your x2, as well as your y1 and y2. So you can make this one your x1, then automatically this one is going to be your x2. This one will be your y1, then this one is going to be your y2. After you've done that, you can proceed now and say the midpoint. Okay, so midpoint therefore is equals to, what is our x1? Our x1 is 6. What is our x2? Our x2 is 4. Then you divide by 2. Do this, like the comma like that. Then your y1 in this case is 3. So 3 plus, what is y2? Y2 is 6 divided by 2. So our y1 is 3, y2 is 6. Okay, so you proceed. 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 2. Then 3 plus 6 is going to give you 3 plus 6. So you're going to get 9. So you get the value of 9 like that. Okay, so once again, it's important for you to check the values so that you don't get mixed up. So our x1 is 6, our x2 is 4, our y1 is 3, our y2 is 6. So to finish this answer, we're going to say 2 into 10, we get the value of 5. Then this is 9 over 2. So since this is 9 over 2, we can just say 2 into 9 goes in 4 times, remainder 1 over 2. So this becomes the midpoint of those 2 points. So that becomes the midpoint of those 2 points. Let me give you another example here on how to find the midpoint. So let's get to another example. How do you find the midpoint between 2 points? So suppose you have another point. Let's say you have a coordinate 3,4. Okay, 3,4. And you have another one which is negative 9,4. Yeah, let's include negative numbers. Okay, negative 9,4. So the first step you're supposed to take is to identify your x1, your x2, as well as your y1, so, and y2. So this is our x1, this is our x2, this is our y1, then this is our y2. So the x1s, the ones should be together, the twos should be together. So please make sure you don't mix up the two. So how do you proceed? So you can say midpoint. The midpoint is equals to, what is your x1? Your x1 is negative 3. What is our x2? Our x2 is negative 9. Divided by 2, everything, okay? So comma there. What is our y1? Our y1 is 4. Plus, what is our y2? Y2 is also 4, so you divide by 2. You can put this in the brackets like that. Negative 3, positive negative is negative, so negative 3, negative 9 gives you negative 12. So negative 12 over 2, this side we have 4 plus 4, which is 8, divided by 2. The midpoint therefore is 2 into negative 12 gives us negative 6, then 2 into 8 gives us the value of 4. So the midpoint between those 2 points becomes negative 6, 4. So basically, this is how you find the midpoint of 2 points. This is how you find the midpoint of 2 points. So The only thing that you are supposed to take note of here are the x1s, y1s, y2, x2, just like that. Then after that, you make sure you memorize the formula. Okay, so make sure you memorize the formulas. It is very important to know the formulas and to put them in your long-term memory. So in this lesson, we've talked about the length between 2 points. You should also remember the formula for finding length between 2 points, as well as the formula for finding the midpoints given 2 coordinates or given the 2 points. Thank you so much. This has been your mathematics teacher, Mr. Chims. See you in the next